Did you know that after the age of 50, you can lose up to 2% of your muscle mass every year? This gradual decline might seem insignificant at first, but over time, it can lead to significant muscle loss. This silent epidemic, known as sarcopenia, is not just about getting weaker. It's a condition that affects millions of older adults worldwide, often going unnoticed until it starts to impact daily life. It's about increasing your risk of falls, fractures, and even cognitive decline. When your muscles weaken, your balance and coordination suffer, making you more prone to accidents. Yes, you read that right. The implications of muscle loss extend far beyond physical strength. Recent studies have linked muscle loss to a higher risk of dementia. This connection is alarming, as it suggests that maintaining muscle mass is crucial for brain health. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found that seniors with less muscle mass in their legs and arms were more likely to have smaller brain volumes. This finding highlights the importance of muscle health for overall well-being. This shrinkage was especially noticeable in areas crucial for memory and thinking. The brain regions responsible for these functions are particularly vulnerable to the effects of muscle loss. Imagine your muscles as the scaffolding that supports your body and mind. Just like a building needs strong scaffolding to stand tall, your body needs strong muscles to function optimally. As the scaffolding weakens, everything becomes more vulnerable. But there's good news. You have the power to strengthen your muscles and protect your health. You can fight back against muscle loss. Engaging in regular strength training exercises can help you maintain and even build muscle mass. The key lies in understanding the right fuel your body needs, along with the right kind of movement. A balanced diet, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, is essential for muscle health. It's time to take control of your health and build a stronger future. By making informed choices and staying active, you can ensure a healthier, more vibrant life as you age. For years we've been told that building muscle means loading up on plates of steak and eggs. This belief has been deeply ingrained in fitness culture, perpetuated by bodybuilders and athletes who swear by their high-protein, meat-heavy diets. But is this really the only way to achieve muscle growth and strength? But the truth is, you don't need to become a carnivore to maintain strong muscles. In fact, many people are turning to plant-based diets and finding that they can still achieve their fitness goals without consuming animal products. Plant-based diets, rich in legumes, tofu, nuts, and seeds, can provide all the protein you need to support muscle growth and repair. These foods are not only packed with protein but also come with a host of other nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. In fact, a recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who followed a vegan diet had similar muscle protein synthesis rates as those who ate meat. This groundbreaking research challenges the long-held belief that animal protein is superior for muscle building. This means that regardless of your dietary preferences, you can achieve your muscle-building goals. Whether you prefer a diet that includes meat or one that is entirely plant-based, the key is to ensure you are getting enough protein and other essential nutrients. Whether you're a lifelong vegetarian or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based meals, there's a world of delicious and nutritious options waiting for you. From hearty lentil stews to protein-packed quinoa salads, the possibilities are endless. Don't be limited by outdated beliefs. The science is clear. Plant-based diets can be just as effective for muscle building as traditional meat-based diets. Embrace the power of plants and discover a new path to muscle health. With the right knowledge and a bit of creativity in the kitchen, you can enjoy a diet that supports your fitness goals and promotes overall well-being. Nature provides an abundance of plant-based foods, packed with the nutrients your muscles crave. Think of your plate as a rainbow, bursting with colors that signify different vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and fiber, supporting muscle recovery and overall health. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, supporting muscle function and heart health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals, you'll be providing your body with the building blocks it needs to maintain strong and healthy muscles. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscle. As we age, our protein needs may increase, making it crucial to consume enough from our diet. The good news is that protein is abundant in both animal and plant-based sources. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal. Animal sources like fish, chicken, turkey, eggs, and low-fat dairy products are excellent sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Plant sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are all excellent sources of plant-based protein. By ensuring you're consuming enough protein, you'll be giving your body the building blocks it needs to maintain and even rebuild muscle mass. Beyond protein, certain vitamins play a crucial role in muscle health, particularly vitamin D and vitamin B12. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and muscle function. Older adults may not produce enough vitamin D from sunlight alone, so it's important to include good sources in your diet such as fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, both of which are important for muscle health. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so if you follow a plant-based diet, it's essential to include fortified foods or a B12 supplement. By ensuring adequate intake of vitamins D and B12, you'll be supporting your body's ability to maintain strong muscles and overall health. Section 6. Hydration, the flow of strength. Water is often overlooked, but it's essential for every bodily function, including muscle health. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and weakness, hindering your ability to stay active and maintain muscle mass. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. You can also stay hydrated by consuming fruits and vegetables that have high water content, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and spinach. Remember, staying hydrated is like oiling the machine of your body, allowing your muscles to function at their best. Section 7. Move it or lose it. Chair exercises for every senior. Exercise is not just for bodybuilders, it's for everyone, regardless of age or physical ability. It's a vital part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, especially as we age. Regular exercise can help you stay independent and improve your quality of life. Engaging in regular physical activity helps maintain muscle mass, improve balance, and boost overall health. It can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. You don't need fancy gym equipment or strenuous workouts. Simple exercises that can be done at home with minimal equipment are just as effective. Simple chair exercises can make a world of difference. They are easy to perform and can be done in the comfort of your own home. Chair stands. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. This exercise helps strengthen your legs and improve your balance. Stand up slowly, using your leg muscles to lift you. Try not to use your hands for support if possible. Slowly lower yourself back down. This controlled movement helps build strength and stability. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Consistency is key to seeing improvements. Leg raises. Sit tall in your chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. This exercise targets your lower body muscles. Extend one leg out in front of you, hold for a few seconds, and slowly lower it back down. This helps improve your leg strength and flexibility. Repeat with the other leg. Make sure to move slowly and with control. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. This will ensure both legs get an equal workout. Bicep curls. Hold a light weight in each hand or use water bottles, with your arms at your sides. This exercise helps strengthen your upper body. Bend your elbows and slowly curl the weights up towards your shoulders. Focus on using your biceps to lift the weights. Lower the weights back down slowly. This controlled movement helps build muscle strength. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Consistency and proper form are important for effective results. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. It's important to ensure that the exercises are safe and suitable for your individual health needs. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you feel stronger. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Regular exercise can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Section 8. Your health, your hands, taking charge today. The journey to stronger muscles and a healthier future begins with a single step. By incorporating the information and tips outlined in this essay, you can take control of your health and age gracefully. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. Whether you're just starting to notice the effects of muscle loss or have been struggling with it for some time, there is hope. Start by making gradual changes to your diet, incorporating more plant-based protein, vitamins, and minerals. Find an exercise routine that works for you, even if it's just a few minutes of chair exercises each day. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle brings you closer to a stronger, more vibrant future. Section 9. Stay informed, stay strong. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. I encourage you to continue learning about the importance of nutrition, exercise, and overall well-being. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that meets your individual needs and goals. Stay updated on the latest research and advancements in the field of aging and muscle health, and most importantly, share this information with your loved ones. Together, we can create a world where aging is embraced, not feared, and where everyone has the opportunity to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There are resources available to support you every step of the way. Stay informed, stay active, and stay strong.